So first what I need to do is salt my chicken thighs. Oil. On. I want to get this pan nice and hot. Olive oil. And in she goes. Transfer to the sheet tray. So we've got some cauliflower fillets. I'm going to add that to the blender. Put that in. Just give that a pulse. Add that back to the bowl. So here I've got some onion and celery, some asparagus tips, some mushrooms, some garlic, and of course some cauliflower rice. So using the same pan, and look, flavour. Just add a little bit more oil just to help it. Add celery and onion. Mushrooms. With a touch of salt. And look at my pan. Look at all that foam. It's going to the mushrooms, the celery, the onion. It smells amazing. Add the garlic, give that a good stir. Next to the cauliflower. Next, add some chicken stock. Add your asparagus, give that a good stir. And you want to let that stock reduce down. And add some spinach. Stir that until the spinach is wilted. Right now, take out your thyme. To finish off, add some butter, some Parmesan cheese to finish. Look how cheesy and creamy that is. Look at that mozzarella. Just look how moist that chicken is. Beautiful. So there you have it. That's my chicken thigh cheesy cauliflower risotto sorted. Beautiful.